In today's video, we're going to be talking about websites, landing pages, and whether you really need them to make money online. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is part 6 of my training series on how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. If you're new to my channel, check out my playlist to find all the videos in this training series to learn more about affiliate marketing. This is a question that gets asked a lot from people trying to make money online for the first time. Do you really need a website to make money online? The simple answer for this is no. However, if you are really serious about making money online long term, then the answer is going to be yes. Let me explain. Let's say you've developed some kind of following online over a certain amount of time, okay? For example, let's say you've been posting content regularly or consistently for several months now, and you've built a large following on social media, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, right? Well, in that case, you could simply put your affiliate link in your profile bio and hopefully start generating sales right away. A lot of social media out there like Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. usually don't like it when you post affiliate links directly on their platform. Sometimes you can get your affiliate links taken down, or in some cases, your account might even get deleted. However, if you've successfully built a huge following on their platform, then you can most likely get away with it without any problem, because they won't take down an account which has a huge following and which drives a lot of traffic on their platform. On the other hand, let's say you don't have a big following online, or you just got started, okay, which I reckon will be the case for most people watching this video right now. Then putting your affiliate links directly inside of your profile's bio is going to be very risky. It will most likely get taken down, or worse, you might get your account deleted. So to be on the safe side, it is better to have a website or one-page lender to send your traffic to before redirecting them to your affiliate offer. So let's go into more detail on how to do this. You've got two options, okay? Number one, you can either have a website or blog to send your traffic to, or number two, a simple one-page website, also known as landing page. If you have a blog, the advantage of this is that you will have multiple articles on it over time. And when people will come to your blog, they will consume all those different content that you will have there. And sometimes they will even share some of those content. And they will start to trust you and see you as an authority in your niche, which will make them more receptive to whatever it is that you might recommend them to buy in the future. Inside of your blog, you will have affiliate links, which your audience will check out, and affiliate commissions will start rolling in eventually over time, hopefully. On the other hand, let's say that you don't want to have a blog. Then you could simply go for the one-page website, or as we call it, landing page. The purpose of a landing page is very different to that of a blog. When your audience come to your landing page, they are not meant to be navigating around. They are not meant to be consuming different types of content. The purpose of a landing page is to have your audience to do one specific thing, whatever that is that you want them to do. Okay, it might be that you want them to watch a specific video. It might be that you want them to read a specific article before sending them to your affiliate offer, or maybe you just want them to sign up to your email list. Whatever it is that you want them to do, it will most probably be one specific thing. Now, having a blog or a landing page, both strategies work well to drive sales. It's really up to you as to what you want your traffic or audience to do when they come to your website. Normally, and this is not a strict rule of thumb, but if you're working on building free traffic, then having a blog might be a better idea. And if you're going for paid traffic, then a landing page might be better suited. It does not necessarily have to be like that, but this is how I would do it personally. In this very in-depth training series, I'm going to show you how we are going to build free traffic using social media, one social media website in particular. And then we're going to build a blog or landing page to drive traffic to it. and generate affiliate sales. I'm going to show you everything step by step. No stone will be left unturned. I hope you are as excited as I am about this. Don't forget to give this video a like and a subscribe in order not to miss out on this. There you guys, that's it for this video. I'll be posting the next video of this training series very soon. It should appear somewhere around here. I think most likely around here. Or it should just begin right after this video if you are watching the playlist, which I hope you are. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.